Hey everyone, ever felt like creating user flows is a total headache? What if AI could handle that for you? Sounds too good to be true? In this video, I'll show you how to leverage Figma AI and ChatGPT to create UX flows in a super fast and efficient way. Let's get started. We're going to use FigJam by Figma along with ChatGPT to make this happen. In FigJam, you'll see this generate option can help with flowcharts, mind maps, and most importantly, user flows. But here's a pro tip. Don't just type any prompt directly into FigJam. We'll use ChatGPT to refine them and get even better results. Let's say you're designing a SaaS app. First, ask ChatGPT for the main pages. For example, what are the main pages of a subscription management app? Can you create a structure of that web app from a high level? Now that we have this, we'll ask ChatGPT to create a prompt optimized for FigJam. Can you give me a prompt that I can add to FigJam AI in order for it to generate a high-level workflow of the SaaS app so I can see the visual hierarchy and the main pages? See how this prompt is more detailed. If you add a generic prompt, FigJam won't give you precise results. This optimized prompt is tailored for FigJam, but the principle works with other AI tools too. Remember to review and adjust the output from ChatGPT to make sure it aligns with your project. Now, in FigJam, click Generate, paste the prompt and hit Generate. FigJam will quickly create a flowchart for you. In this example, we get an onboarding screen leading to the main dashboard and other pages. Sometimes, the initial output might be too detailed. For example, if we look at the analytics page, it includes monthly spending trend, category breakdown, and usage trends. This could be a note or a feature section instead of taking up so much space in a high-level flow. To simplify, we'll remove the detailed descriptions for each page from the prompt. We'll keep only the main screens in the prompt and ask for a horizontal high-level workflow. Let's generate again. Now, we have a much simpler and cleaner high-level user flow. It's all about refining the prompt to get the result you need. Once you have the flow, you can customize it in FigJam, change colors, organize elements, and make it presentable for your client. This is the basic idea. But here's where it gets really powerful. You can ask ChatGPT to create all the pages, models, and logic loops. This lets you generate extremely complex user flows very quickly. This is a game changer for UX design, especially for complex projects. It saves you tons of time and helps you avoid missing critical logic loops. So, try using AI for your user flows and see the difference. What are your favorite AI design tools? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more design tips and tricks.